charge against profit. It means then partners will get amount in the form of profit whether firm earns loss or profit. It means पार्टनर को प्रॉफिट आपको देना ही पड़ेगा. इट्स नेसेसरी टू गिविंग प्रॉफिट टू पार्टनर्स वेदर फर्म अर्न प्रॉफिट और लॉस. देयर नथिंग इज मैटर दैट फर्म अर्न्स प्रॉफिट और दैट फर्म अर्न्स लॉस. एनी सिचुएशन देन फर्म अर्न्स लॉस इवन विल गिवन प्रॉफिट टू पार्टनर्स. आपको लॉस हो चाहे प्रॉफिट हो, पार्टनर को प्रॉफिट देना ही है. सेकेंड है आपका पेड थ्रू एप्रोप्रिएशन. इट मीन्स इफ फर्म अर्न प्रॉफिट, इट मीन्स ओनली दैट कंडीशन दैट फर्म अर्न प्रॉफिट, देन वी विल गिव शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट टू द पार्टनर्स. Only in the condition of that firm earns profit. If firm earn loss, then we will nothing give. We will nothing give to partners in the form of profit. That is the main point. IMP. That is the main point. Please understand this point. Then the next point, if there are no partnership deed is executed by the partners. Partnership deed is not compulsory for the partners. Every firm should maintain partnership deed, but there is no compulsion by the government to maintain partnership deed or go through the partnership deed. Then we will read, if there are no partnership deed is maintained by the firm, by the partners for the firm, then how we will distribute profit, या how we will carry the functions of partnership firm. Then provision for the firm when no partnership deed maintained. If there are no partnership deed in the firm, when? How we will? Then the first provision, profit and losses are shared equally. Clear? If there are no partnership deed, then we will profit and losses are shared equally. And interest on loan, interest on loan 6% per annum allowed. Interest on loan, it means loan given by partners to the firm. If firm need some money to carry its business, then partner can give the loan to the firm. Then firm give partner interest. इंटरेस्ट का रेट क्या होगा? 6% पर एनम. What is the meaning of per annum? Per annum, it means if there are 6 months loan, if there are 6 months loan, then we will give interest on loan for the only 6 months, not full year. That is the meaning of per annum. Clear? Then third provision, no interest on capital and no interest on drawing allowed. It means interest on capital will not be allowed to partners, and also interest on drawing will not be allowed to the firm. Both are disallowed if there are no partnership deed. Then last fourth provision, salary, commission and remuneration disallowed. It means salary, commission, remuneration will not be given to the partners. They are fully disallowed. The total summary of this provision, only 6% on interest on loan per annum are allowed and profits and losses are shared equally, except these things that there are nothing will be given to the partners. That is the main important things of the basic of partnership, which we are reading in this chapter, fundamentals of partnership. That is the main important thing. I will send you that notes that you will note in your notebook. It's compulsory. Clear? Then next point. Topic of the chapter. We will study about these topics in this chapter, which is related to practical questions. Profit and loss appropriation account, partners capital account, interest on capital and drawing, and past adjustment and guarantee of firm and partner. Then first point is profit and loss appropriation account. What is the profit and loss appropriation account? You study in the 11th class about profit and loss account. That is clear? Profit and loss account. Profit and loss appropriation account that are made after profit and loss account. Profit and loss appropriation account that are made after profit and loss account, that is called profit and loss appropriation account. Then these are 5 points that are covered our full chapter. Then we will topic of this chapter. You should note down these topic in your notebook. We will study about first profit and loss appropriation account. I will tell you about profit and loss appropriation account. I told earlier that P&L appropriation account is made after the profit and loss account. We was studied about trading and P&L account in the previous class, 11th. Trading and P&L account. Then the last entry of the P&L account, either profit net loss. 10 मिनट हो गए ना, 4 मिनट और P&L appropriation. After this account, we will prepare P&L appropriation account. What happened in this P&L appropriation account? P&L appropriation means partners adjustment. Only partners adjustments. Total expenses and total income are shown in trading and P&L account. That are clear. After that, net profit we will transfer from P&L account to P&L appropriation. Net loss, if firm earned loss, then loss transfer from P&L account to P&L appropriation account, then this side. आपको समझ में आया एप्रोप्रिएशन क्या होता है? एप्रोप्रिएशन मैं आपको हिंदी में समझाती हूँ. एप्रोप्रिएशन मीन्स फर्म ने प्रॉफिट और लॉस सारे एक्सपेंसेस और सारे इनकम मिला के जो लास्ट में हमारा प्रॉफिट और लॉस आया है उसको पार्टनर्स में कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है वो कहलाता है हमारा P&L एप्रोप्रिएशन. यहाँ पर जो एक्सपेंसेस आएंगे डेबिट साइड है, यहाँ पर जो हमारे एक्सपेंसेस आएंगे ओनली पार्टनर्स की सैलरी, पार्टनर्स का रेम्यूनरेशन आएगा और यहाँ पर पार्टनर्स की इनकम आएगी. दैट आर क्लियर? दैट इज P&L appropriation. Then I will tell you that what amount should be shown in the P&L appropriation account. Then first thing, to interest on capital of each partners we will shown in this account. Second, partner's salary. This side we will show the net profit transferred from P&L to P&L appropriation account by net profit. Then this side by interest on drawing. By interest on drawing, that side interest on capital, partner salary and commission. Clear? Then we will the result of net amount, this minus this, yeah, this minus this, that the difference that are come this side, credit side will show loss distributed to partners, and if there are balance come this side, that is called profit, that is distributed to partners. That is called P&L appropriation account. I will send you notes about partnership deed, provision of the in the absence of partnership deed, then format of P&L appropriation account. Okay. Thank you.